Hey, do-it-yourselfers out there, Steve here. Just wanted to show you what I had a little job here to do. Build another awning, and here's a room addition that was done about 6 months ago upstairs. And this window here had a window air conditioner in it. And the issue here was I wanted some light in and be able to see, but I still wanted the sun to be dissipated. So next year I'm put a window air conditioner in this top unit, and the awning outside will hide the window air conditioner from the street, which I didn't like seeing. So I built this awning out of polycarbonate and put her up here, and that'll cover the top part of the window. So getting cool here now, so I took the air out, and in the spring here I'll pop her back in, and it'll go right up in here, and it'll close this thing to the point you won't be able to see it. So this morning here, got some sun coming in. It's about 11 o'clock, but heat difference here. There's a spot down here when I touch my hand on there, much warmer than the area coming through here. I have painted this material from the inside before with spray paint and dissipated even more light, but so far I like it. It gives you a nice clean bright light, and then still dissipates the UV rays. So I'll show you what I did out here. It came together real nice. You can see out here where I took aluminum. Actually came from a 4-foot step ladder that I was going to sell. Until you give it away, it's worth keeping the aluminum. So I riveted that together, made some brackets on the outside. Probably have to try to get up there and show you those. Right here you can see in the corner, bent that around, built a gusset. Just went ahead and riveted the whole thing together. Made a hanging system, very light, easily can carry the thing with one hand. So I'm going to run the window up here. Let's see if we can get, oh, look at my brackets. So where we go, we're outside. Look up here, you can see how I made some brackets. Across here, and what I did when I made those brackets were up in this corner, a little hard to see. See if I can get back up there again. Take those aluminum plates, put a hole in the top, cut a V to the top, put those bolts in first. When I put those bolts in, I just went ahead and hung it right on the brackets, hung right there by itself. Went in and screwed the rest of these in against the wall. Thing's nice and sturdy. Probably make a little bit of noise when it rains. Don't get an east wind too often. You can feel right here in the sun the difference. My hand here in the sun versus up here where it's coming through a polycarbonate. The temperature is just cool and then warm down here. So I believe it's doing what I want it to do. So wasn't too big of a project. Laid it out on maybe 2 foot down, 2 foot up. At the up on the house roof, gives your projection out. Added a little bit, was able to roll that polycarbonate right around